Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Chalk the wheels opposite the lift location. Before jacking, remove loose items from the cabin and trunk and note battery and high voltage warnings. Locate Tesla Model S pinch weld points and use a rubber pad or adapter to avoid crushing seams. Wear safety glasses and gloves and keep a fire extinguisher rated for electrical fires nearby. Confirm the car is in park with the key fob near to prevent unintended vehicle sleep or alarm events. Use a low-profile hydraulic jack rated for at least 2 tons and a rubber adapter that fits the Model S pinch weld profile. Position the jack under the pinch weld pad and lift incrementally, stopping frequently to check stability and alignment. Raise the car only high enough to clear the wheel or component you are servicing. Support the car immediately with jack stands rated for Tesla's weight and place them on solid, level ground under manufacturer-approved points. Do not rely on the hydraulic jack alone for support. Do not work under the car without 2 jack stands supporting the chassis and positioned symmetrically to prevent tilt. Perform your maintenance tasks, keeping tools organized and avoiding contact with high-voltage orange cables or components. When finished, raise the car slightly to remove the stands, then lower the car slowly while observing for binding or unexpected movement. Lowering should be controlled. Once the tires contact ground, remove chocks and tighten lug nuts by hand. Then torque lug nuts to 129 ft-lb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.